Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I wanna share to you a certain topic, no? Yung friend ko, he asked me about my opinion. Gusto sana niya mag-try, no? Na mag-explore sa life. Gusto niya gumawa ng mga bagay na magpapasaya sa kanya pero takot siya na ma-judge ng ibang tao. And if you are like him somehow, no? Na gusto mag-try ng mga bagay na sa tingin niya magpapasaya sa kanya at magdadala ng improvement sa life niya, then I have a message for you guys. So, what I said to him is like, sabi ko, men, just do what makes you happy. As long as walang taong naapakan, no? Kasi, wag mo na isipin yung sasabihin ng iba. Kasi kung iniisip mo yung sasabihin ng iba, then mas mabuting sila na lang yung gumawa ng gusto mong gawin. That's a fact, right? Like, hindi ka naman nila pinapakain, hindi ka naman nila sinesweldohan, di ba? Like, do what makes you happy, man. We have a very short lifespan in this world. Like, man, if you will be able to reach 75 years old, that's already a lot of blessings. Kasi we rarely reach 75 without any kind of diseases or yung mga sakit na usually nare-receive ng mga tao, mga nasa mga 40, 50, 60, ganun. So, we are already blessed to have a healthy body right now when we are still young, no? Na malakas pa tayo, nakakapaglakad tayo ng maayos, men, nakakain tayo. We can do whatever we want, no? Like me, right now, I am speaking to you people on the camera. I am expressing my thoughts, sharing what I said to my friend, and yeah, hopefully makatulong ito sa inyo. So, going back to the topic, no? Sabi ko sa kanya, uy, may pusa sa labas. Sabi ko sa kanya, man, na yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, first, pag-isipan mo muna kung ito yung gusto mo, yun yung gusto mong gawin. Second is, gawin mo lang. Huwag mo nang i-overthink kasi yung time na ini-spend natin, no, sa pag-overthink, yun yung time na nasasayang, no, na pwede natin sanang i-invest dun sa mga bagay na magpapasaya sa atin, no. If you want to learn self-defense, then do it. It might be useful someday. If you want to try different sports, then do it. 'Di ba? Malay mo maging magaling ka diyan, malay mo maging athlete ka pa. If you want to have a dream physique of yours, kung gusto mo maging macho, gusto mo maging sexy, then go to the gym. Do some lifting, do some cardio, and do some, I don't know, any workout that will help you to get those goals. And if you want to get smarter, then read books. No? Read books. If you want to have wisdom, more wisdom, listen to those philosophers. Maraming mga YouTube videos about philosophers na nagtuturo ng mga different types of philosophies, no? And you can do whatever you want. If you want to be a good gamer, then practice lang, ganun lang, no? Let's not overthink it kasi yung oras na spend natin sa pag-overthink, napakalaking oras yun kung i-accumulate natin. Kung i-add up natin lahat ng oras na nag-overthink tayo, men, napakalaki ng oras na sasayang. Like, from me, based on my experience, ito, paggawa ng video na to is, before I was overthinking, like, paano kung walang manood, paano kung hindi nila magets yung message ko sa video, and then, I had enough of overthinking. So ngayon, dito ako sa camera. I'm talking to you guys. No scripts. Na hindi lang ako masyado nakakatingin sa camera kasi medyo nahihiya pa ako, hindi pa ako sanay, pero bear with me guys. Promise, no script ito. This is all from my experience and from my own wisdom, no? God-given wisdom, by the way. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, ayoko na mag-overthink, man. Gusto ko na lang gawin kasi I am already 23 years old. I am old enough to do whatever I want, and I am blessed to have a healthy body, no? A healthy mind, body, and soul. And I think it's already a lot of blessings that I get from God. and from this life. So I will do whatever I want, and gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung aking wisdom, no, na natutunan ko from my life experiences, from the challenges I succeeded. And ayun, nag-video na lang ako ngayon, video ako kaagad, and ipopost ko to sa aking YouTube channel, no. By the way, it's Water Bear, guys. Hello. And hopefully I am not expecting, no, na may manonood nito, and siguro if may manonood and umabot ka dito sa part ng video, men, appreciated masyado, men. And if you will be able to comment down the comment section about sa video, kahit bash, tatanggapin ko yan, men. Kung meron kang suggestion how to improve this vlog like or podcast type videos na ipopost ko, then comment your thoughts, brother and sister. So yun lang, no, hindi ko na pabayan. So sana may natutunan kayo if ever may makakapanood nito, and yeah, God bless us all. Thank you so much. Water Bear out.